I'm going to be going over the worksheet that you have today called Campfire Number Lines, where it's got number lines and there's a campfire at one of the tick marks, and you have to figure out what point on that number line the campfire is at. And it helps us that they've given us some starting and end points. They've given us a 0 and they've given us a 1, so we know how far they are apart. We just have to figure out how much is in between each of the tick marks. So to do that, I would just count the number of tick marks that there are, starting at the one after 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then count the last one. That 1 is at 8, which means there are going to be a denominator here of 8 on this one, because 1 is really 8/8. So it should be 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8, 6/8, 7/8, and then 1 is 8/8. If we'd only counted the ones in between and not counted the 1, we would have got 7, and then we would have come up with 1/7, 2/7, 3/7, 4/7, 5/7, 6/7, 7/7. Remember, a whole is the same number over the same number, like 8 over 8, 7 over 7, so we would have ended up 1 short. So you have to count that one, that tick mark with the 1 in it. Don't count the 0 though, count the 1. Okay, so the next one, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tick marks, which means our denominator is 6. So 1/6, 2/6, 3/6, 4/6, 5/6, and 1 is 6/6. And our star, it looks like it's at 1/6 on this one. And you know you've gotten it right when you come out at the writing them and your 1 equals the whole, the 6/6 or the 8/8 or the 10/10 or whatever it is. On our bottom one here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, which means our denominator will be 11. So 1 over 11, 2 11ths, 3 11ths, 4 11ths, 5 11ths, 6 11ths, 7 11ths, 7 11, 8 11ths, 9 11ths, 10 11ths, and 11 11ths. So our star looks like it's at 8 11ths on this number line. Hopefully this is a pretty easy one for you. You should be able to figure this one out pretty quickly. But if you do have any questions, feel free to call me or email, and I will help you out.